Most people pay for ChatGPT Plus and never unlock its real power. The truth? It only takes one switch and 3 simple settings to go from beginner to pro. Welcome to AIChief, where we make AI tools simple, clear, and practical. If you want one AI update every day that actually matters, join the free newsletter. The link is in the description. All right, let's go from beginner to pro. Starting with the setting most people miss. Skip it, and you're leaving half the power of Plus on the table. First, click your profile picture in the bottom left. Go to Settings, then Personalization. Here you'll see Custom Instructions. Click on it. At the very top, it says, "What should ChatGPT call you?" Here, just type your name or nickname. Next, what do? Keep this short and simple. Something like, "This helps ChatGPT shape answers for your world." Then comes, "What personality should ChatGPT have?" This is the style of answers you prefer. You can leave it on default or choose concise, detailed, formal, or casual. Then, what traits should ChatGPT have? You'll see preset traits like chatty, witty, straight shooting, and more. Just pick a couple that match your style. Finally, there's a box that says, "Anything else ChatGPT should know about you?" Here's where you can drop in your preferences or interests. For example, I'll add, "This little box is optional," but it makes ChatGPT feel a lot more personal. Once you're happy, make sure Enable for new chats is switched on, then hit Save. That's it. From now on, every new conversation will start already tuned to your style. Now, every chat starts in your style. That's step 1. Next, let's organize it all with projects. Most beginners throw everything into one giant, messy chat. But pros, they keep it clean with projects. On the left sidebar, click Projects, then hit New Project. Give it a name, like AIChief YouTube. Add custom instructions just for this project. Upload the files you'll need, PDFs, guides, or notes. From now on, every chat inside this project follows those settings. It's your own private workspace, separate from the rest. And just like that, you've gone from clutter to organized. Now, let's flip a hidden switch that unlocks all the extra models. Here's a hidden switch most people don't know about. By default, you're only seeing part of ChatGPT's brain. But once you turn this on, the full set of models unlocks. Here's how. Go into Settings, then General, and flip on Show Advanced Models. Before you split the switch, you only get the basics. But once you turn it on, the drop-down changes completely. Now you've got options. Auto Instant, Thinking Mini, or More Plus. The legacy models are still here if you prefer the old style, including GPT-4. Next, let's look at memory. Turn it on, and ChatGPT will remember your name, style, and goals across chats. Want a clean slate? You can reset it anytime. All right, setup done. Now let's dive into the tools that make Plus worth every dollar, starting with files. Still copying and pasting text into ChatGPT? With Plus, you can drop in a PDF and just ask questions like, "What are the 3 key insights?" Or, "Can you summarize this section for me?" You can even tell it to turn data into a chart. Instead of scrolling through pages, you get the answers straight from your file. Fast and simple. And that's files done. Now, let's bring ChatGPT online. People think ChatGPT is stuck in 2023. Not with Plus. With web search, it can pull fresh information straight from the internet, and it shows you clickable sources so you can double-check. That makes it perfect for research, fact-checking, or just staying up to date. That's real-time knowledge at your fingertips. But what if ChatGPT could do more than answer questions? What if it could actually do the work for you? That's where agents come in. ChatGPT isn't just a chatbot anymore. With Plus, it can actually work for you. Turn on agent mode, and suddenly it can plan tasks, browse the web, put together slide decks, even connect with apps like your calendar or Google Drive. And don't worry, it always checks in before it does anything, so you stay in control. Think of it like your own AI assistant. And to make it real, let me show you 3 tasks we can handle right now. That's research, presentations, and social media management all handled for me. And honestly, that's about 30 minutes saved every single day. If you only chat casually, free is fine. But if you'll work with files, do research, or want automation with agents, then Plus is worth every dollar. Now let's wrap this up with your full checklist. Do these 7 steps once, and you're basically running ChatGPT like a pro. That's your beginner to pro guide in 6 minutes. Don't forget to subscribe to AIChief. I'll see you in the next one.